Welcome back, my culinary champs. Today we're making a classic wacky cake. Learn how to create this simple no-fuss recipe, as it is perfect for those times when you need a quick and easy dessert. With just a few pantry staples, you can whip up a delicious and moist cake. There are two methods to this cake, and I'll show them both. Let's get baking. In a large bowl, combine and whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. Giving it a thorough mix. Don't forget the sugar, that can be added before whisking the dry ingredients. Next, add the water, vegetable oil, vinegar, and finally the vanilla extract. Mix until just combined and try not to overmix. Pour the batter into a lined and greased 25 by 25 centimeter square cake tin. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Next method shows that you can dump most of the ingredients straight into a greased and lined 9 by 13 inch cake tin. Here we have all the dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda and salt. Give it a quick stir so that the baking soda is well incorporated and won't react to the acid too quickly. Next, add the wet ingredients. These can be added directly to the tin, but here I had them set up ready to go. Mix until the batter comes together and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely before serving or before using the cake in other recipes, such as my lamington or vegan rum ball recipe. Dust it with powdered sugar, serve it with a scoop of ice cream, or use my spiced mixed berry compote. Oh, so delicious.